So guys, we are now in the series of making a house a home, and today we have a couch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Faith Amina, and today we have Make That House a Home. Every Monday is a new series where we're going to be making this house a home, and today we have a couch. So enjoy the rest of these clips. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and so in the next couple of clips, you guys will be seeing the couch being brought in. It's a sleeper couch, so it can pull out. You guys will see that as well. And then I don't really like couch mattresses because, you know, they're not the best. But I have a topper from one of my old beds that I saved, and I put it on top of this bed, and it feels pretty good. So that's what we have going on. Enjoy the video, and see you guys in the next couple of clips. Can it fit? Do I need to do something?
No.
It's 05.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
Let me joke with him for me.
Oh, that's great.
Do you want to take that off? Oh, that's so cool. Yay! I tell you, they're the best. I didn't see it coming in.
Yeah, because I didn't know what was about to happen. Okay.
Sir, look at those steps. That's where we want it.
Holy.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
I already know that's gonna make it.
I know. We
We wouldn't do y'all like that.
He's like, holy no.
Oh, you got his too? Okay, cool. Bye, guys. Be safe.
You too.
Thank you.
Hello?
I'm a lucky. Hey! Whoa, this thing is stiff.
It's new.
Ooh. Got a couch. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, I just got a couch. I'm super excited because I haven't had a couch in like almost three years. I've had makeshift couch, but not like a real couch. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it in this living room. But I'm super excited about it. It looks really nice. I want to change the pillows, but for now they will do. And it's a sleeper bed, so like when people come over, I can have people sleep on the couch and they don't have to be like uncomfortable because it's actually a bed. So yay! Alright guys, so I took the pillows off and we're gonna see what this mattress looks like because I have a topper I want to put on top.
Are you gonna put a sheet on the top one?
Yeah, well not today.
No, not today.
I don't have a sheet for it yet.
Oh, that's nice. Look at this.
You about to be on camera.
Thick. Oh, that's a good one, Faith. You want me to put your topper on there?
Yeah. Can nobody? Oh, it hurts. It ain't the comfortable. Most comfortable. All right, guys. So with the topper, it doesn't feel that bad. Without the topper, it feels definitely rough. Those are the words from my mother. It feels rough, but with the topper, it doesn't feel that bad. I believe this is a queen size bed, so two people and maybe a child can sleep on this. I wouldn't sleep on this for more than 2 weeks, but that's because I have my own bed. But if I was like spending the night at somebody's house or I was spending the weekend, this isn't a bad bed to sleep on. Got a little bounce. It does make a little bit of noise, but it's a sleeper bed. Like, we're not the hotel in here. Ouch. Gotta be careful getting out the bed.
Why?
It hurts. But that's that. I think I might go around and cut off some of the extra topper. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it. Maybe I'm just being a little too much. But As my grandmother says, this will pass with a push. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. I don't know where this video is about to end, but this is where we are right now.